Nestled amidst the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, a hidden gem awaits those seeking a transformative experience. Art Villas, a collection of unique residences perched on a jungle hill overlooking the Playa Hermosa beach, offers a sanctuary where nature and luxury collide. Among these captivating villas lies Atelier Villa, a private residence designed to be a haven for its owner and his family. The vision behind Atelier Villa is profound. It aspires to be more than just a residence. It's a place where guests can shed their worries and reconnect with the surrounding wilderness. The architects at Formafatal drew inspiration from the vibrant energy of Central and South America, crafting a space that fosters a sense of adventure and luxury in equal measure. Here, the boundaries between interior and exterior dissolve, creating a seamless connection with the verdant embrace of the jungle. Atelier Villa's design is a masterpiece of minimalism and functionality. The 26-meter structure resembles a prism, its form echoing the clean lines and simplicity that are central to the concept of pura vida, pure life, translated into architecture. This philosophy is evident in the steel frame construction, featuring expansive 4-by-4-meter sections that create a sense of openness. The architects ensured that the villa integrates flawlessly into its surroundings. Discrete wall colors and a verdant roof act as a camouflage, allowing the structure to recede into the jungle backdrop. Large perforated aluminum facades flank the ocean and jungle-facing sides. These ingenious panels serve a dual purpose. They shield the interior from the scorching sun while simultaneously transforming into canopies when raised. The perforations are strategically designed, creating a captivating play of light and shadow within the villa. The special COR10 colored coating on the panels further enhances the visual intrigue, while the back wall boasts charred timber cladding, a testament to the time-tested Japanese technique of sho sugiban for weatherproofing wood. Stepping inside Atelier Villa is akin to entering a sanctuary of light and space. The minimalist approach extends to the layout, where utility rooms, bathrooms, and the kitchen are neatly tucked away along the back wall. The remaining space is an open canvas, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The expansive area feels more akin to a covered terrace, inviting the invigorating embrace of the Costa Rican outdoors. To cater to the need for privacy, lightweight sliding partition walls can be effortlessly deployed to create distinct zones within the open layout. The heart of the villa unfolds onto a patio, where an infinity pool beckons with the promise of refreshing dips. A partial roof ensures comfortable enjoyment of the pool even during the peak hours of sunshine. The warmth of natural materials permeates the interior of Atelier Villa. Earthy tones create a sense of grounded tranquility, echoing the surrounding jungle. The furniture, meticulously crafted to complement the villa's unique character, is a testament to the skills of local artisans. Each piece, from the plush lounge chairs to the dining set, is a bespoke creation, adding a touch of personalized comfort to the space. The designers also incorporated elements from the renowned Czech glassmaker Bomma, specifically their shibari lights, which seamlessly blend with the overall tropical ambience. Atelier Villa is a testament to the transformative power of architecture. It's a space where nature reigns supreme, inviting guests to shed their inhibitions and immerse themselves in the heart of the Costa Rican jungle. Every element, from the design to the materials and furnishings, has been meticulously crafted to foster a connection with the surrounding wilderness, all while indulging in the lap of luxury. Here, amidst the verdant embrace of the rainforest, Atelier Villa offers an unparalleled experience, a chance to reconnect with nature, oneself, and the simple joys of pure life.